Algorand value equivalent to 2.3085 rands a coin. The present cost range, 2.2783 to 2.4139. The earlier day close, 2.3997. The change was 0.0912 to 3.80%. Reverse rate, ZAR to Algo. Algorand cost expectation for in the not-so-distant future and month. Algorand cost expectation on Monday, July 3, cost 2.52 rands, high 2.70, low 2.34. Algorand figure on Tuesday, July 4, cost 2.57 rands, high 2.75, low 2.39. Algorand cost expectation on Wednesday, July 5, cost 2.62 rands, high 2.80, low 2.44. Algorand figure on Thursday, July 6, cost 2.42 rands, high 2.59, low 2.25. Algorand cost expectation on Friday, July 7, cost 2.37 rands, high 2.54, low 2.20. In multi-week Algorand conjecture on Monday, July 10, cost 2.26 rands, high 2.42, low 2.10. Algorand cost expectation on Tuesday, July 11, cost 2.36 rands, high 2.53, low 2.19. Algorand conjecture on Wednesday, July 12, cost 2.31 rands, high 2.47, low 2.15. Algorand cost expectation on Thursday, July 13, cost 2.53 rands, high 2.71, low 2.35. Algorand conjecture on Friday, July 14, cost 2.51 rands, high 2.69, low 2.33. In about 14 days Algorand cost expectation on Monday, July 17, cost 2.60 rands, high 2.78, low 2.42. Algorand conjecture on Tuesday, July 18, cost 2.69 rands, high 2.88, low 2.50. Algorand cost expectation on Wednesday, July 19, cost 2.69 rands, high 2.88, low 2.50. Algorand conjecture on Thursday, July 20, cost 2.62 rands, high 2.80, low 2.44. Algorand cost expectation on Friday, July 21, cost 2.66 rands, high 2.85, low 2.47. In 3 weeks Algorand gauge on Monday, July 24, cost 2.73 rands, high 2.92, low 2.54. Algorand cost forecast on Tuesday, July 25, cost 2.68 rands, high 2.87, low 2.49. Algorand gauge on Wednesday, July 26, cost 2.66 rands, high 2.85, low 2.47. Algorand cost forecast on Thursday, July 27, cost 2.66 rands, high 2.85, low 2.47. Algorand gauge on Friday, July 28, cost 2.68 rands, high 2.87, low 2.49. In about a month Algorand cost forecast on Monday, July 31, cost 2.65 rands, high 2.84, low 2.46. Algorand gauge on Tuesday, August 1, cost 2.37 rands, high 2.54, low 2.20. Algorand value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Algorand cost forecast for July 2023. In the first place cost at 2.29 rands, exorbitant cost 2.92, while low cost 2.10, the found the middle value of cost 2.49. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 2.65, change for July 15.7%. Algorand figure for August 2023, initially cost at 2.65 rands, excessive cost 3.12, while low cost 2.19, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.72. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 2.92, change for August 10.2%. Algorand cost expectation for September 2023, initially cost at 2.92 rands, excessive cost 2.92, while low cost 2.28, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.64. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 2.45, change for September 16.1%. Algorand figure for October 2023, initially cost at 2.45 rands, excessive cost 2.45, while low cost 2.02. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.27. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 2.17. Change for October 11.4. Algorand cost expectation for November 2023. Initially cost at 2.17 rands. Exorbitant cost 2.17. While low cost 1.69. The found the middle value of cost 1.96. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 1.82. Change for November 16.1%. Algorand gauge for December 2023. To start with cost at 1.82 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.82. While low cost 1.53. The found the middle value of cost 1.70. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 1.64. Change for December 9.9%. Algorand cost expectation for January 2024. To start with cost at 1.64 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.87. While low cost 1.63. The found the middle value of cost 1.72. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 1.75. Change for January 6.7%. Algorand gauge for February 2024. To start with cost at 1.75 rands. Exorbitant cost 2.17. While low cost 1.75. The found the middle value of cost 1.93. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 2.03. Change for February 16.0%. Algorand cost expectation for WOC 2024. At the outset cost at 2.03 rands. Excessive cost 2.20. While low cost 1.92. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.05. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 2.06. Change for spring 1.5%. Algorand conjecture for April 2024. At the outset cost at 2.06 rands. Excessive cost 2.24. While low cost 1.94. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.08. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 2.09. Change for April 1.5%. Algorand cost expectation for May 2024. Before all else cost at 2.09 rands. Excessive cost 2.29. While low cost 1.99. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.13. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 2.14. Change for May 2.4%. Algorand gauge for June 2024. In the first place cost at 2.14 rands. Exorbitant cost 2.65. While low cost 2.14. The found the middle value of cost 2.35. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 2.48. Change for June 15.9%. Algorand cost expectation for July 2024. In the first place cost at 2.48 rands. Exorbitant cost 2.48. While low cost 2.04. The found the middle value of cost 2.30. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 2.19. Change for July 11.